you can change your Snapchat Bitmoji. Now you can call Snapchat's Bitmoji your profile picture too, because wherever your profile is shown, you will be represented by your Bitmoji. So I'll teach you guys how you can change it, but before that, if you are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's start. First, open up your Snapchat. Now after you've opened up your Snapchat, you will see your Bitmoji on the top left. Tap on it. Now right there you will see the option, you can pull it down like this, and after you do that, you will see that you will get the option to edit it right there. Now there you can see you can change your selfie, you can change your outfits. Now let me just go and change my outfits. Okay, that's not for me. Now let us just go to the hanger section, and you can see just selecting any outfit from the hanger will just directly do the trick. And other than that, what you can do is you can change your face too. Now this is one thing right here. As you can see, my Bitmoji is changed. Now you can even change your selfie, you can edit your avatar too. So right there you can see you can set up your hair, its color and its highlights, even your mustache, and so much more. So that is pretty much it. That is how you change your Snapchat's Bitmoji. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.